Alright, Don, here's your transmission on your 99 Ford Taurus, and the cause of failure is extreme overheating due to friction buildup and heat buildup, slippage on the clutches from damage from the torque converter. This is your torque converter, and get some damage on the hub, but been dumping metal through the transmission. If you take a look here in the pan, the bottom of the pan, we've got this magnet right here, and just a ton of metal coming off that. See how much metal just off my finger taken off that magnet, and there's still a lot of metal left on that thing. So the whole bottom of the transmission pan is covered with metal and friction material. Got a lot of metal going through the system. These are your clutches, and these friction clutches at the end here are light tan colored, which is what they're all supposed to look like. But you get into these clutches here, and it gotten so hot, the lining is wore completely down to where there's no lines left in the. You see these lines right here on this clutch here, and then out of the same clutch pack, here you've got the clutch, and it's smooth completely. All the lines wore down almost metal to metal, and so you've got 3 different sets of clutches here that are in real bad shape. You've got charcoal black and wearing down almost metal to metal. They need to be replaced. Also got 2 bands here that are worn and damaged as well, extremely overheated. They both need to be replaced. As a result of the metal going through the system, we have some solenoids. We've got an EPC pressure solenoid and lockup solenoid that have to be replaced. These solenoids are magnetic and they draw metal, and so we have to replace those, along with a valve body rebuild and update. This is the valve body assembly. That's your manual control unit, and all these valves have to be removed, and we got to do an upgrade kit with that and clean out, pull all the valves out, and repair the valve body assembly. And then we got some bushings and thrust washers, some sprag assemblies that are worn and need to be replaced. All the gaskets, lip seals, and O-rings. These are gaskets, O-rings, and lip seals out of your transmission. All the rubber has gotten real hard. It's brittle, almost like a plastic ballpoint pen instead of being soft and pliable. So we're going to need to replace all those with the rebuild process. In addition, because of the extreme overheating and the amount of debris and metal, we're going to need to do our patented hot flush, where we flush the cooling system in the radiator, and including the transmission cooler and the cooler lines. And this will all come with a 5-year, 100,000-mile warranty. It covers you 100% parts and labor. And I'll get this video sent off to you by email shortly, along with a itemized written estimate and total cost repair. Give me a call with any questions, and I'll need to get final approval.